Peitngor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima. Peitngor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Superintendent of Police Traffic ka East Khasi Hills District UK Prasad habakran bakinong tho khobor halor ka jing penbana balabatha daw commissioner jongkatana transport halor ka jing aiwa Ïaki kali bat Shaka daki Riew Shimet ulay thu baki bor Pulit kila shim ya sen jam ban pelong ya ka jing talasi ulay thu bahabaro kawai ka district labatha baki Pulit bakin Peitngor bat Beain Ïaki jing batha daw commissioner katna transport Lada ki Pulit kilap baki don Kiba penken ki day ban shim ya ka sen jam bating kat kum ki kendon an Kiba day bat ban Pynshitom miki ulapan pawru ka jing kermen bawat Lada ka jing penjari an menta ka long tang ha East Khasi Hills kum kini ki sen jam day ban pentre kam hakeleng ka jela bat udon ka jing kermen bakani ka order balabatha da commissioner jongka transport kan trekam ha ka jelahi baro kawai shu USP ulamaham balada penken Ïaki kendon balabo onsha Pynshitom kat kum kaan ulo ongru bala pentrekam bat batha shabaro kitanat Pulit bapenyat Ïaki kali haki district ban Beain bat Peitngor ya ka jingshim wai Beain Ïaki Shaka neki Shaka jongki Riew Shimet ula banjur Ïaki kali kibayat klem ki kot kisla ki babiang kingat ha ka jingsha Pynshitom kat kum kaan.
Yes, we have received the order. In pursuance of the order issued by the Commissioner and Transports, we have activated our ground staffs, all the traffic personnel to go for checking, and whoever is found during the checkings, we will take the appropriate actions according to the MBAs.
And this will be implemented only in this in the East Khasi Hills, or it will be implemented in the whole of Meghalaya?
This is for the East Khasi Hills so far concerned, because the thing is that it will be applicable in the state of Meghalaya since the Commissioner of Transport he has already issued this order. So this will be implemented throughout in Meghalaya.
Okay. And what are the measures?
We have started checking the vehicles. Those are coming from the outside as well as within the inside the city also. There are certain prime locations where we have already put our traffic peoples to be on the job to check. If anyone is found violated the provision which have been laid on under section 192A of the MB Act and 207 of the MB Act, so we are going to take the strict actions.
So it's rapid?
Yeah. Rapidos which have not been registered under the transport departments, they will also come under the purview of that only. The East Khasi is only. All the places where we have the 7 traffic stations, traffic branches, all the traffic branches have been activated to check the activities. If anyone is giving or hiring the private scooties or private vehicles without having the valid permit or being registered, our traffic police, they are going to take up the suitable actions.
So we have received.
We have put up the NACA. The NACA is going day and night even. And our traffic people also at Abbey junctions like in the viewpoints, Molai, then so to say in MES junction also, they are conducting the checkings. If any such complaints are there, definitely we are going to take up the actions.
And now have you received any complaints?
We have already exhorted the peoples. We have asked the tourist taxi associations. There are some like-minded peoples are also there. They are giving us the informations. As and when the informations are coming to us, we will take the appropriate actions.
As far as this
traffic as well is going smoothly that side. As you know that the MES is one of the vital point that where we are connecting to 3 districts. So traffic flow is going on. There is
no disturbance.
No disturbance as such. Yeah.
Anything
of this tourists, especially coming from outside and especially to the tourist destinations?
See, so far the traffic is concerned, we are giving the free regulations. We are monitoring the traffic. We are ensuring that there should not be any obstructions. But due to the ongoing constructions at MES stage from the Rhino Point to the Upper Shillongs, there is a bit congestions in between. However, the traffic police, they are maintaining, and we have deployed enough people there to main the stretch so that there should not be any problems.